Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to change numbering in Canva. So for example, let's change this one right here. I'm going to just set this number right here, 1, and I don't know if I can do actually another one here. So let's do 1 here, and then I'm just going to see if I can actually do 2. Oh, here it is, perfect, 3, just a second, 3. So let's say I want to actually change this one right here, right? Then what you can do, you can either like hover, if you can select it, or sometimes you can just click on the plus symbol right here, as you can see. And then you can, for example, click on H1 heading, as you can see here. So this one gets a lot bigger here, as you can see, which is perfect. Now we can click on 3 right here and do the exact same thing. I think so. We have to probably write it here. Yeah, as you can see, so if you go here one by one, then you will be able to change it 1, 2, 3 now here, as you can see. So let's click on the plus symbol here once again. Now you can have it as a checklist, as you can see instead, or you can have it as, just a second, I'm going to see if I can find a numbering list here. But basically you can play around with this exactly how you want to, and this is exactly how to do this.